Yes,
morning,
I'll,
ma'am.
yes, beta, I'll now share the screen with you. Continue your work.
All right, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes?
बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Ma'am, please share the screen.
Beta, it's taking a while. What can I do? I'm doing it. Just wait.
Ma'am, can I share?
Ma'am, can I share? I have.
Okay, children, here it is. No, it's not opening.
What is it?
It's taking
Can
too.
you share? Ma'am, I have the photo.
Okay, beta, if it doesn't open, then one of you can share. Just wait.
Can I share? Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, please. Ma'am, can I share?
Ma'am, can I share?
Ma'am, can I share?
All right, share.
Ma'am,
One of you share. I'll not share now. Okay, it's here. It's here. Nobody will share.
Okay.
It has opened. Fine. All of you can see it.
Ma'am,
It is fine.
ma'am, what is made in between the Mexico flag?
Now to see what is made in the center of the flag, you can just Google the picture, the individual, this thing, Google Mexico flag. And then Google it, zoom it and see what is made.
Ma'am, it is an eagle sitting on something.
Yes, ma'am. It is an eagle.
Ma'am, I can see one chair which is
Yes, ma'am.
yours.
A cactus like.
Okay, better draw what you can see.
Mexico is eagle.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, how can we draw the South Arabian flag?
South Arabia. Okay, that's a good one.
Ma'am, Saudi Arab.
Saudi Arabia.
Ma'am, what it is? Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, from the last third picture, it is yours. And ma'am, you have put it on your DP also.
Oh my God. Summer, you notice so much.
Actually, पक्का ही समझने के लिए आ रहा है.
Ma'am, I cannot understand. Ma'am, and ma'am, it's nice also. This, ma'am,
Okay, children, what I can see,
Your flag, ma'am, how to make it? Ma'am, it is very difficult.
Okay, then don't draw
Ma'am,
that.
South.
Tell me, how are you going to draw Mexico flag?
Ma'am, which flag?
Mexico. Will you be able to draw this eagle that is eating a snake?
ma'am.
It looks like.
Ma'am, I can't draw. Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
can't
Saudi
draw.
Arabia, I can draw. Ma'am, Saudi Arabia, I can draw. Ma'am, I will write anything, ma'am, on the Saudi Arabian flag.
Yes, ma'am, on Saudi Arabia, I can also draw. But Mexico, I can't.
Ma'am, I can draw anything on
Ma'am, I
Saudi.
will write it.
No, beta, don't draw Saudi Arabia. Don't write anything wrong. Why? Because we should respect every country's flag, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So don't draw that. When we cannot draw it right, we shouldn't draw it only.
Ma'am, instead of
The class
Saudi
is
Arabia.
over at
Ma'am, I
10:30.
can't draw Mexico flag.
Okay, you can leave
Very good.
Mexico and Saudi Arabia. Rest all are easy.
Okay.
Draw all
Yes,
others.
ma'am.
Yes,
That's
ma'am.
all are easy.
Rest
Ma'am,
all are-
United Kingdom and Australia flag are same.
Yes,
United
ma'am.
Kingdom
Something
and
same.
Australia.
Something same. Not full.
Yes.
Ma'am, one block is same.
Yes.
Ma'am,
ma'am.
full same.
Okay.
Oh,
Now back to work. Everybody back to work, please. No more talking. Fourth C talks the most. Other two sections are quiet.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, instead of Mexico or Saudi Arabia, ma'am, can we make another country's flags?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, ma'am.
All of you, please mute yourself. I can hear a lot of noise coming from somebody's house.
Ma'am, Apurva Thakur.
Ma'am, all the flags can't come. So, ma'am, I can do on another page.
Okay. Apurva Thakur, please mute yourself, beta. Who is Garvit here? I have never seen this name before.
Sorry, ma'am, I can't rename.
What's your name?
Ma'am, Garv.
Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, but I am ugly. I am
What?
using my brother ID.
Ma'am, now it is correct. Ma'am, now
What
it is
bit-
correct.
What is correct? What are you showing? I can't see.
Ma'am,
But I can't see only. What are you showing?
ma'am, my name.
Yes, it's correct. No, it's still Garvit. It's not correct. Beta, okay, just leave that thing and do your work. Try to finish your work.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, please see the flag.
Now, Krishav, please don't show one by one everything to me. Wow, you have made on a small piece of paper. It's looking very nice. Very good idea. Who is not muted in the class? May I please know his or her name? Everybody check your screens.
Ma'am, I see
Ma'am,
Devi
madam.
Agarwal was not, ma'am.
Yes.
In my house there is nobody. So, ma'am, where is the voice come? Ma'am, Navira Salman. Ma'am, he is not on mute.
Veera Salman.
Now, like we have a monitor in class, in the regular class in school, I should keep a monitor for a combined class
Ma'am,
also.
I can peek. Ma'am, I
To
can
check,
peek.
yes, to check from whose house this noise is coming.
Ma'am, I can
Ma'am,
peek.
can
Who is
I?
not muted.
Ma'am, can I
From
peek?
fourth B I can.
Beta,
Ma'am,
I
Ma'am,
for
can I?
also, I
fourth B I
just,
can.
I can.
you people
I
get
told the
so,
classes.
you people get so serious. I was just kidding, huh? And you took it seriously. Do you think I'm going to keep a
Eh?
monitor for this thing? I'm just kidding.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, sometimes you ma'am, sometimes you say joke like this.
Yes.
ma'am, this is
Yes,
not correct.
No, I was just
Yes,
saying it in a
ma'am.
sarcastic manner. I was just saying it in a sarcastic manner. And you people took it so
But
seriously.
ma'am, we took it serious.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And you started raising your
But
hand.
ma'am,
Huh?
it was a funny thing during class.
Now the ones who want to be the monitors are speaking the most. Huh?
What?
The ones who want to be monitors here are speaking the most. Rest all other children are quiet. And you people are speaking so much.
Mom, I have made all the flags. Can I show you?
Yes, sure. Okay, so it's difficult to see what you have made. Till you will not color it, beta, I will not understand anything. So just color it and label it. Name the country also. Okay, and do you remember, all of you, how do you have to label anything when you make a poster or chart paper? You have to write always in block letters, not in cursive. So Apurva, please change it and write everything in block letters. Sorry,
Okay, ma'am.
bold letters.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can we do coloring with sketch color?
Yes, beta, you can do.
Ma'am, Mexico's and Italy's flags is same.
Italy and Mexico.
Yes, ma'am. But ma'am, the picture gone.
Where is the picture gone? Actually, where is it gone?
Please share the screen.
Yes, beta. Here it is. Italy, and which flag are same?
Ma'am, Mexico's.
No, beta. Oh, yes. See, one is without that center thing, and you there is
France and Russia are also same. Ma'am, France and Russia.
yes.
You see?
But Adrika, can you see the color red in Italy and color red in Mexico? They are also different. The shades are different.
But ma'am, the pattern is same.
Yeah, it's looking a little same. And this one also.
Yes, ma'am.
Rush-
Italy's flag. Ma'am, in Italy's flag, the shading is light, and ma'am, in Mexico's flag, it is dark.
Ma'am,
Yes.
most easy flag in this, ma'am, is Indonesia. Ma'am, only one line we have to draw.
Yes, only one line, the easiest. And Japan is also very easy. Just
Yes,
one dot. You can paste a bindi. You can take your mother's red bindi and paste it. Yes.
Ma'am, nice trick.
Nice trick.
Ma'am, but that bindi should be, ma'am, the bigger and ma'am, fatter one.
Yes.
ma'am. It
The
should
biggest,
be
the
bigger.
biggest size in bindi that we get
Yes.
in market. It is that size
Yeah.
dot.
Biggest size.
Ma'am, I think Japan people wear that bindi.
No. Who wears bindi in Japan? Dev?
Oh, one, ma'am.
Ma'am, what are you saying, ma'am? Who is Bindi in Japan?
Dev is saying that he thinks that people in Japan wear this kind of a bindi. They use these bindis. So do you think the women in Japan wear bindi?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, it is not
No,
possible.
No,
but I-
ma'am. No, ma'am. No,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
it is not possible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
No, I also know that it is not possible, ma'am, but I think.
Children, what is the syllabus for your finals in SST from chapter 13 or
15,
chapter
16.
14?
Ma'am, from chapter 15 to 20.
Yes, ma'am.
Chapter 15 to
Ma'am, it's very long.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
chap-
only 5 chapters are there from 15
15.
to 20.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Right?
Ma'am, only 5 chapters are there.
Are to there.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in science there are many chapters. Ma'am, to 8 to 14. That we can cover because there are many dates. Yes.
We have a lots of time.
Ma'am, I am on Brazil.
Ma'am, I am on Italy. Drawing part.
Ma'am, I am on Japan.
Drawing or coloring?
Drawing.
No, I am on South Africa.
Flag सही बनना है. फिर क्या बचा है? अर्जेंटीना.
अरे ये बात तो भी याद है. Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, I have used yellow colored chart paper and I do not have white color. So where white color is needed, what can I do?
What can you do? Now you can stick a white paper there.
Okay, ma'am. German. Ma'am, you have stopped the screen sharing?
Anushka, you want to say anything?
Ma'am, I will make all picture. Make picture.
You have made all the pictures. Very good. Yes, Summer, what are you saying now?
Ma'am, I was saying that from 4th B I can send, and ma'am, we have to send from chapter 15 to 20.
No, beta, now I have told it to 2 children. It's enough. Now don't take the pains. Okay? They'll do it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Mute yourself, Anushka, first. Yes, Noel. Now what were you saying? See, Noel, I've shared a screen with you. Right?
Ma'am.
You have to make these flags on a chart paper or on an art sheet.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Everybody is doing this from the previous period.
क्या देख रहा है?
Can I ask something?
Yes, beta, ask.
Ma'am, can you send the forward to me?
What
Ma'am,
do you want
also.
me to send you?
Ma'am, PDF.
PDF of
Ma'am,
what? Of all
ma'am,
the
work
work?
PDF. Yes, ma'am.
Beta, once I receive it, I'll send it to you.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have done drawing part. Please see it.
Okay, Varun, I can't see anything because it is not clear. Now just color it and then send it on the group.
Ma'am, in the 20 flags, ma'am, we will, ma'am, we can not, ma'am, we cannot make the South Arabia flag and Mexico flag. So, ma'am, in the 20th flag, ma'am, we have to make only 18 flags.
Yes, beta, you can do 18 flags only. And if you want, you can Google 2 more countries, 2 more flags. If you want to make it up till 20, just Google. And if you find some easy picture, then you can add on 2 flags on your own, 2 countries on your own.
Ma'am, in the
Yes.
place where we have to color white, there I can paste white color page.
Yes, yes, you can paste a plain paper.
Ma'am, the flag of South Korea is very easy.
Ma'am, I have made the PDF. It is saving. Then I will send you.
Ma'am, in Argentina flag, ma'am, in between there is a sun.
In Argentina, there is, yes, it looks like a sun beta.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm sended.
Thank you so much, Anshuman.
Ma'am, ma'am, is the PDF come?
Ma'am, time is over now.
You can leave the meeting and go for your break time now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye,
beta.
ma'am.
Bye, beta.
चुप रहे.
Ma'am, I make all the flags. Ma'am, all the flags.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Wonderful.